So I made it over. Cool cats. Now let's go check out the side streets. Get your fisherman's wear and gear.
Creep once more upon my ken, do I sit under the stars and reveal the essence of the sordid eyes, a tear for the forevermost, a goodbye. For the light of day, for the light of day, and death's.
This is also the back way you can get to the tower. Keep going this way and then climb the fucking hill. Well, I'm not climbing anything today.
Unheady nerve to creep once more upon my ken. Do I sit under the stars and reveal the essence from sordid eyes, a tear for the forevermost, a goodbye.
Fresh fried fish. Gnome girl. This is the new fashion statement all the cool kids are wearing. It's also maybe soon where we can take a piss.
Allah neşeni bozmasın.
Nice fire. Up an old chainsaw. Living the dream. There's the tower. You can go closer to the water, but if I remember correctly, it's a nice place to take a piss up ahead. Lawnmowers, goats, lots of beautiful street art. On the way back we can get some, oh, there's the new chainsaws. Get some of this street art on the old digital camera. Well, you know, seems to be a lot more activity. I think last time we cut through here, but now it's totally full of cars. When we were here last time, there was no cars at all. Huh, that's interesting. Maybe it's the time of day. There's a cat. This is the main street, where the storefront, I guess, for a lot of stuff is. We can walk back down this way, but really wish I had more time. I literally got 2 hours before it starts getting dark, and I got a taco party to go to. Everybody loves taco parties, no matter where you live. So we'll just have to wait till the ferry to use the old facilities. Let's cut through there. Maybe go closer to the water this time. Maybe up those steps. See what's going on. Little cat. Oh, look at this guy over here. This is worth a digital. This is the hero. Look at a nice one on the hero. Really should be taking more pictures. It's so rainy. It's hard to take the video and the picture. Now, once upon a time ago, me and the wife had a nice seafood dinner at one of these restaurants. This is the famed bridge to nowhere. Well, not to nowhere, to Istanbul. And this is where I think this place down here where we had a nice seafood dinner. Mustafa Aydemir Marine. I remember it being tall. I think we had dinner on like the 4th floor. Love the outdoor fire. Kutubalik. Cafe Nico. Bag of bread on a tree. It's the grilled fish. Now we're back to the Fisherman's Wharf. Alright, let's head back to the ferry. And I think this beautiful greenery is where we actually had dinner. Not this place, but right around the corner. Let's check it out. I don't have anything, I'm sorry. We don't want to go to Istanbul. And Karaköy. We want to go to Karaköy. So let's jump this boat. But we don't want to go to Karaköy, we want to go to Karaköy. Karaköy. We want to go to Karaköy. So let's check out the fish market.
Olacak, onu bekleyeceksin. Seri. Arıyor.
Get your fresh fruits and vegetables to go with your fish.
Beyler şuna çok kırk oldu beyler.
Good old fish market. Let's find out when the next one is to Karaköy. Karaköy to Karaköy, it's 15:55. So we missed the 15:50. I don't know. So 16:05, so 10 minutes.